How's it going, guys? Welcome back. You can see the S5 is on the lift, and today we're going to knock out some maintenance. I'm a little early on the servicing of the, we'll say, differential fluid on the transmission, but it's been on a hub dyno and it does not lock the wheels 1-to-1 ratio all the time. So I'm really working the differential in this car, hitting about 150, 160 miles per hour, and we're at revision number 200. So it's been put through its paces and I want to keep this thing alive. With that being said, I might as well show you a video how to replace the oil, and that's what I'm going to do today. First step, remove the belly shield for the transmission. We don't need to remove the front shield, just the back or the rear. There we go. So before we drain the fluid, we need to make sure we can fill it up. So we're going to crack open the fill plug first, which is a 8mm Allen bit. We have a 5mm Allen bolt. Pop that off. All right, before I let this go, guys, I'm gonna grab a cup and I wanna get a fluid sample of the fluid coming out. Let's see how it is so I can show you guys what good and bad looks like. Solo cup. This is gonna get everywhere. You can remove the cross member if you want, but I don't feel like doing so. Of course, using a new bolt. We're going to torque this down to 10 Newton meters. So you guys can see here's a demonstration of what the color of the new fluid looks like. Very nice and clear. They say it takes about 1 quart. I grabbed 2 because it's always good to have extra. I don't want to come up short. Now, you guys can go ahead and inspect. Here's the old fluid. All right, fluid coming out. You guys see I'm using a 90-degree here. Go up there. Boom, boom, goes right in there pretty nice. And we're gonna fill it until fluid comes out. All right, this one's torqued to 27 Newton meters. All right, wow, she's good, all right. Yeah! Oh, guys. You don't want that. You want to hear it hit the ground. No! She should go into the abyss. Fook! Gotta fucking hate that. It's in this spot. This is not a good spot for stuff to fall in. Oh! Oh, yeah, we're good. Good. Time to put the belly shield back on. There we go. Best thing to do is start back here with these plastic rivets, I guess you'd say. Great job, guys, on knocking out your front final drive service. With that being said, when should you do this? Personally, me, I want to do around the 35,000 mark. I'm at 15,000 miles, but I also know I'm dynoing this car day in and day out. So if you guys know you're doing donuts, you guys are doing burnouts, you're really working the differential, sending the power to the rear and front, back and forth, you should do it right away. And another sign is, do you smell it? If you burn or tarnish the additives in the fluid, you're gonna smell it. Thank you guys for tuning in, and as always, stay BDT tuned.